Russ here from ProSteamUK. Today we are going to be cleaning and sealing this brand new Karndean floor. This floor was installed by Simply Carpets and Flooring based in Camberley, Surrey. And what we're going to do is deep clean and apply a very durable sealant to the surface. The sealant is going to enhance the colour of the tile, and it's going to offer up to 12 months protection to the surface. Now, when these tiles are leave the factory, they do have a kind of like a film on them, and we need to remove that film, also all the dirt. And as you can see that it just doesn't look clean at all. Okay. Now, to take the headache out of having to buy all the products yourself and get on your hands and knees and scrub the floor, we have specific machinery and products that will remove that film and all the dirt, leaving the floor completely clean and ready for its first seal. Right, let's come back to this in a bit, and you'll be able to see quite an improvement. Right, folks, we have cleaned to the left of the picture and to the right of the picture, leaving a strip right down the middle. So hopefully you can see how different the floor looks. Can you see that line that runs across there? Okay, and there's a bit of a line, it's hard to see, but there's a line that sort of runs down there as well. So we've left this strip here just to show the difference between a professionally cleaned floor and a floor that some other companies will simply leave for the customer to clean. Now, I can tell you right now that even with the correct equipment and products, because this is what we use, we're using a machine there that scrubs the floor. We're using a professional grade cleaner stripper. We use this machine here that injects hot water onto the floor and recovers it. And that's our machine out there, our extraction machine. So there you go. It still takes time, even with the right equipment. Anyway, the extra costs involved for booking us to clean and seal the floor once it's been laid, you will be able to see the benefits very, very shortly once we've sealed the floor. Now, at this moment in time, the floor looks pretty natural. Let's just call it natural. Yeah, it doesn't have a lot of colour in it, and it's kind of got almost like a sort of a whitish look to it. Once we've got 2 coats of our product on there, the floor will look rich and it will look finished. It will look like a floor that you'd want to put your furniture on. Okay, so we'll come back to this in a bit, and we'll see the difference there. Right, everybody. That's it, that's the floor done. And let's see if we can get a little bit of a reflection off that window. Let's move down a little bit. So as you can see, you can now see that the floor has been cleaned and it has been finished. Quite a difference to how it looked earlier. It makes all the difference. Booking ProSteam to clean and seal your luxury vinyl tile really does take the headache out of having to do it yourself. Now, this floor's going to take 24 hours to properly cure, and then once it's cured, all the furniture can then be fitted, and there you go. Let's put it back down here. Isn't that lovely? So we've also done, so there's a kitchen area there. It's about 60 square metres in total.